G'day. What we're going to do today is we want to build a bridge. My mate Ron over here. Say hello, Ron.
Hello, I'm the bridge builder.
Yeah, we're going to build a bridge.
Look, I've even got my safety outfit on.
Good man.
Good man.
So we're going to build a bridge.
Yes.
For what?
For a model train.
And what size
O
train?
gauge.
O gauge? What does that mean?
That means it's about twice as big as HO.
Excellent.
Yes.
All right, so how are we going to do it?
We're going to get some timber.
Yeah.
And then we're going to build the bridge.
So we'll show you how we do it as we go along. Now what we've done a mock-up bridge with a bit of cardboard. So that's our plan, except we're going to make it 6 foot long, 180 centimetres long, and so we're going to do it to that design. So we'll get some timber and we'll come back and show you how we do it.
This is the size of the train. It's O gauge. And it's going to run along our railway over here, which you will see shortly.
So this is where we're going to span the bridge. We already have the train track down. We just need to create a bridge to go across there. Now these pieces are 1.8 metres long, 12 millimetres by 16 millimetres. We're going to need 4 of those, one for the top rail, one for the bottom rail. So this one here is 12 millimetres by 12 millimetres. Just a square piece. They're going to be our uprights. Now what we're going to work on, 30-degree angle. So we're cutting each piece of wood at 30 degrees. So we've made a template here, which we're going to fix to our jig. And then each piece is going to be exactly 120 millimetres long. And that way we're going to match every single one the same.
Right, okay.
So what we've ended up with is pieces like this, both with a cut edge with 30-degree cut. So they're going to be our uprights.
Let's go over to table B.
Okay, so what are we going to do now?
We are going to put a bridge together.
Excellent.
This takes a lot. Oh, look at these lovely pieces of timber. Now, 30 degrees that way, and 30 degrees that way. We put that on the end there, and that one on the end there like that. Now, Michael, after a big long day building railway bridges, I think it's time to sit down and have a Scotch and Coke.
Excellent idea.
Now, this is for you.
In a plastic cup.
In a plastic cup because we don't have glass out.
That's right. Good job. Well done.
We've had a big day building and we only use Ryobi.
Any sponsors want to join us? Feel free.
Yes, we're looking for a sponsor.
We could call it the Highland Train or the Ryobi Railway.
The Ryobi Railway.
If we could only get sponsorship from Ryobi.
Mr. Ryobi.
Because we only use Ryobi tools.
This railway could not have been built without Ryobi.
And we also need a sponsor for alcohol.
And also the local radio station 2GF, wonderful, who are now our sponsor.
That's one of your sponsors for the railway?
Yes, the 2GF radio station.
And where do you find them on the dial?
They're on 1206.
Oh, okay. On the old FM?
Or 103.9 FM.
Ah, 103.9. Excellent.
Right, now that we've got it all glued in, we and sand off the rough edges, and we'll have ourselves a perfect bridge. Okay, here we go. Michael, I think it's time for lunch.
This is lunch. Ron's having tomato, onion and cheese sandwich. Michael's having peanut butter sandwich.
Thanks, Lauren. Really good.
And there is our finished product. There is the finished product. Yeah.